Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this is a Brazilian wax area. Actually, I just did a Brazilian wax and she needed some ingrowns, so I am going in with my pointed tweezers that I absolutely love. The reason why I love pointed tweezers so much is because you don't have to use so much force. You can just open up the follicle. Sometimes you'll see me go in and jiggle it to loosen up whatever is impacted inside of the pore. And now I am, see, look how easy it comes out, like butter, like absolute butter. And this one had a hair in it. She had a really good wax, and her wax was so good that she was right for any extractions. And I'm collecting them on the back of my glove so that way that you guys can see them all in the end. And then she actually was like, please let me see everything that's in there afterward. I said, okay, well, I'm just going to collect them on the back of my glove and you can see them. And at the end, she was like flabbergasted as to how many ingrown she actually had. So again, taking the tweezers, going in and wiggling it back and forth, loosening it up, using my loop to push out. And look at that, like butter. I used the more slim side of the loop to actually pull out or push direct force, and then I used the larger side of the loop to push down around it so it could create like a eruption type of effect where it'll push the ingrown out. This is so weird, but I've been doing it so long that it's kind of weird if I would do it now. Ingrowns out again. You guys know for years I used to provide the service on my clients and I just did it for fun. I didn't charge extra for it. But now I have to because it takes time. It takes like an extra 15 minutes to do. But again, oh yeah, and these are so peculiar to me, where it'll be two follicles. Look, and it'll create like a little tunnel under the skin. So if I wanted to, I could use that tweezer, push all the way through, and it would have went out back out on the other side. I'm gonna find the exact name for those. I never thought to look those up. And look at that, coming right out like butter. Absolutely love this. And I didn't add any music because sometimes they give me flag as far as licensing. If you guys want me to find some license-free music and add it over the videos, let me know, and I'll start back re-adding music. But I feel like this makes it easier for my videos to get accepted when there's no music, nothing extra. It's just me talking to you guys and doing the extractions. Again, same area. So I went in, and of course it was a tunnel and all came out one side. Skin broke a little bit. And because I'm so fine and I'm seeing little hairs that I missed during her Brazilian, which are so fine. And of course I can not leave them there, so I'm getting them out. Okay, and this one was ingrown. She had, this is actually in her bikini line, and I found out after I went in and dug, see, shaking, sticking it in, and then I wiggle around to loosen up whatever is in there. So zooming in a little bit because where it's located. A little pressure to push it out, and turns out that one that's really inflamed, remember a couple seconds ago where I went in and I pulled the hair out? That was the hair that was in it. So when I went to actually start to extract it, nothing came out, but blood, and once blood flows, it's clear, and there was no hair inside. I already extracted it. So more pressure with the loop, and I'm switching back and forth between tools per usual. Look at all my winnings. I feel like I'm at the casino. Do you guys play at the casino? Sometimes I've been started to play craps with my boyfriend, and it's actually pretty fun because every time I go, I win like a ton of money. But I can't get into it. But anyway, okay, so again, this is the one I was talking about that I had already got the hair out, but just to make sure, I did apply some pressure to see if anything came out, and a little bit of pus came, but not any more hairs, and I didn't see any before or after. So you just watch me applying pressure. And I know you guys are complaining because it was only one pop on the other video, but sometimes these videos are not planned and they are impromptu. Because to be honest, I don't have a lot of clients with really bad ingrowns because they use our products. So if you see someone, that's because they were slacking on their aftercare or not really taking care of their area. But we do a pretty dang on good job here at HueVine that we don't have clients with a lot of ingrowns. I know some people go to get Brazilians and they think that ingrowns is just a part of Brazilians. That's not true. Like, to keep it looking beautiful, you have to do proper aftercare. So you guys can get my aftercare bundle, and I guarantee you, like, if you are a person that gets a lot of ingrown hairs, that will cease. It will cease. So sometimes, like you said, well, I want more extraction videos on the bikini area. Our clients don't have a lot of them, and if they do, we get them right then and there. And usually, like I said, that last video, she only had one or two because she uses the products. So there it is where the blood clears. And to be honest, you guys can really upgrade, like, even if you're not in the Michigan area, because if you're here, we can provide it for you. But if you're not, really, if you are a person that suffers from a lot of ingrown hairs, look into getting laser hair removal. Yes, it is an investment on yourself, but it will be one of the best investments you've ever done, especially if you get ingrown hair. So a lot of times people look at how much money it costs to get ingrown hair removal, and they just immediately write it off. But you're going to have to go somewhere every month anyway, so you might as well invest into yourself, make it permanent, and not deal with it. I actually get laser now, so remove any. That was a little faint one that I saw under the skin. Look at that, it curled right on up, and I was trying to get it off. Sometimes those ones are hard to get off because they curl up on the tweezers, as you can see. Stretching skin very taut to see what's impacted in the pore. And I'm going to go over the whole area and make sure there's nothing left. And around this time, she started to get like restless because now I'm just like running back and forth on her skin, and she had just set through a whole Brazilian. Look at that. Came right out. I love doing extraction so much because the clients get so happy because they can't see down there. So another extraction video after a client, and like I said, if you are in the area, we specialize in all types of hair removal. We do sugaring, waxing, laser hair removal. So whatever level that you're ready to commit to for yourself, we are here for you. And remember, at HueVine, you belong. So any challenge you have, let us know. We'll help you with anything. Don't be embarrassed, okay? See you guys later. Enjoy the coupon code at the end of the video.